Hey guys, today it's going to be a pretty exciting video because I want to share with you the steps that I'll be making in regards to this home studio, my YouTube channel, and my mixing and mastering career. I've been in this home studio for a couple of years now. I think it's more than 5 years, and it's been great, don't get me wrong, but I feel the need for a change. I feel the need for something new, something better, and that's what's going to happen. I'll be moving with the studio in a new location really soon. I hope that by the end of the year the new location to be fixed, finished, and ready to receive gear, speakers, and the rest of the acoustic treatment. Working from home is great, but it really has some really bad disadvantages that are getting to me. I have no clear separation between personal life and work. We have a baby now that's constantly in the house, so I hear him all the time and I want to be with him, so it's pretty hard to focus on work when you know you have that little bundle of joy so accessible in the same house. I want to separate personal life from work. I think if I manage to get a different structure where I can go to work and come back home, it will be much better from that perspective. Also, I want to do something better, bigger, that will help me in this YouTube journey, in my mixing career, with mastering. So I am planning to do a better room than this. Now I want to walk you through the new room. The new room is almost double the size of this one. It's 25 square meters, as you can see from the video, and I apologize for the poor quality. I will have high quality videos coming soon. You can see that the walls are dry walls. That needs to go. I need to see what's behind the dry walls. I need to make the decision if I need to acoustically isolate the room. From my perspective, I don't need to do that because that's a commercial space. We are multiple people that are working with music in that space, so it's not going to be an issue with the noise. I still consider investing into isolating the room. That means new acoustic treatment on the walls, new drywall, and then at the end the proper acoustic panels and all that jazz. You can see that the room is quite nice. I love the fact that I have two big windows. The mixing position will be right up front, those two windows, so it's going to be a bright room. It's going to be a room that will allow me to have natural light all throughout the day, and that's a great thing. Right now we are in discussion with a couple of people about the acoustic treatment. We are trying to find the best option in terms of sound, in terms of delivery time, but also financially, because as you know, I do struggle a bit from that perspective due to the surgery that I had early in the year, but things will settle and I will manage to get things going. The room is not quite ideal because it's almost a square. The floor also needs to be repaired or added something on top of it. The room doesn't need that much acoustic treatment. Based on the offers we will get regarding the prices, I'll make a decision if I go with something over the top, properly treated room, or if I will try and make the room sound as best as possible in the sweet spot, treating the early refraction points, treating the bass to make sure that I don't have dips or boominess. The time is pretty short, 1 month and a half till I plan to move. It's going to be stressful. We have to find people that work with electricity. We have that to set up. So it's going to be a fairly complicated process that I have to navigate. With all of that being said, I am really excited. It's something that I always had in the back of my mind. I love working from home. I love being accessible. I love having this type of comfort. But I think it's time for the next step. And I think it's also time for me to get more outside and make new friends, because I'm not moving alone. We are not really a team per se, but we are like-minded people that we rented a couple of rooms in a commercial space. We all work with music. It's a breath of fresh air to be able to talk with someone that knows the struggles, with someone that knows about plugins and gear and stuff like that. I just wanted to keep you in the loop, and you'll see a lot of updates about the studio on Instagram. You'll see a lot of updates about the studio here on YouTube. Right now, I am planning to go to the new place to get some proper shots with proper camera so you can have high quality video. Until then, I want to say that I really appreciate the support that I've been getting over the years. It's time for a new chapter. Cheers.